Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Universe Objects, guys. And today we're going to be finishing up the main planets of the solar system and getting into some dwarf planets. And today, guys, we are starting with Uranus. Okay, hey guys, and then we're gonna go through some dwarf planets. Let's start. Uranus, discovered by William Herschel in 1781, is the seventh planet from in our solar system, the third gas slash largest planet. Like all gas planets, the copious amounts of gas causes wind speeds of hundreds of kilometers an hour, but the winds are softer than those of the other gas giant planets. It is the only planet in the solar system that rotates on its side, meaning that its axis is less than 45 degrees to horizontal. It rotates vertically at 98 degrees, one of the biggest tilts in our galaxy, the Milky Way. Neptune. Neptune is currently the last planet known in the solar system, the current farthest planet from the Sun, at a distance of nearly 4.504 billion kilometers. It only reflects less than 1% of sunlight, less than -1% of sunlight because it is so far from the sun. Neptune has a ring system composed of 6 rings that are made up of dust and rocky chunks. However, its ring system is incredibly dim and faint. The planet was discovered by Urbain Le Verner and John Gottfried Galle in 1846. Pluto is an exoplanet of the solar system that has been classified as a dwarf planet. Pluto Pluto is a dwarf planet in the Kuiper Belt, a ring of bodies beyond the orbit of Neptune. It is the ninth largest and 10th most massive known object to directly orbit the Sun. It is the largest known trans-Neptunian object by volume, by a small margin, but is slightly less massive than Ceres, a minor planet designation 1 Ceres, is a dwarf planet in the asteroid belt between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. It was the first asteroid discovered on January 1, 1801 by Giuseppe Piazzi at Palmero Astronomical Observatory in Sicily and announced as a new planet. Ceres was later classified as an asteroid and then a dwarf planet, the only one always inside Neptune's orbit. Ceres' small size means that even at its brightest, it is too dim to be seen by the naked eye, except under extremely dark skies. Its apparent magnitude ranges from 6.7 to 9.3, peaking at opposition when it is closest to Earth every 15 to 16 months synodic period. As a result, its surface features are barely visible even with the most powerful telescopes, and little is known about it until the robotic NASA spacecraft Dawn approached Ceres for its orbital mission in 2015. Minor planet designation 136,108 Haumea, is a dwarf planet located beyond Neptune's orbit. It was discovered in 2004 by a team headed by Mike Brown of Caltech at the Palomar Observatory in the United States, and is also in 2005 by a team headed by Jose Luis Ortiz Moreno at the Sierra Nevada Observatory in Spain. Though the latter claimed it has been contested, on September 17, 2008, it was named after Haumea, a Hawaiian goddess of childbirth, under the expectation by the International Astronomical Union (IAU) that would prove it to be a dwarf planet. Nominal estimates make it the third largest known trans-Neptunian object after Eris and Pluto, and approximately the size of Uranus's moon Titania. Senna is a dwarf planet in the outermost reaches of the solar system, discovered in 2003. Spectroscopy has revealed that Senna's surface composition is largely a mixture of water, methane, and nitrogen ices with tholins. similar to those of some trans-Neptunian objects. It's similar to its surface is one of those reddest among the solar system objects. Then, with an estimate, uncertainties is tied with Ceres as the largest planetoid not known to have not known to have a moon. It has a diameter of approximately 1,000 kilometers, most likely between the sizes of the asteroid Ceres and Saturn's moon Tethys, with an unknown Makimaki. Makimaki is a dwarf planet and the second largest of what are known as the classical population of Kuiper Belt objects, with a diameter of approximately that of Saturn's moon Iapetus, or 60% that of Pluto. It has Pluto. It has one known satellite. Its extremely low average temperature, about 40 degrees Kelvin, negative 230 degrees Celsius, means its surface is covered with methane, ethane, and possibly nitrogen ices. Makimaki was discovered on March 31, 2005 by a team led by Michael E. Brown and announced on July 29, 2005. It was initially known as 2005 FY9 and later given the minor planet number 136,472. In July 2008, it was named after Makimaki, a creator god in the Rapa Nui mythology of Easter Island, under the expectation of the International Astronomical Union that it would prove to be a dwarf planet. Orcas is a trans-Neptunian object, a trans-Neptunian dwarf planet with a large moon, Vanth, but it has a diameter of 870 to 960 kilometers. The size is somewhat smaller than the asteroid Ceres. The surface of Orcas is relatively bright, with albedo reaching 23%, neutral in color, and rich in water ice. The, the ice is predominantly in crystalline form, which may have related to past cryovolcanic activity. Other compounds like methane or ammonia may have also present on its surface. Orcus was discovered by American astronomers Michael Brown, Chad Trujillo, and David Robinson on February 17, 2004. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this episode of Universe Objects. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.